Okay, so consistency, so this is an engine update. As you can see, it does is an airplane, and it does like taxi things. So today we got a Ryzen 27X. As you can see, and so you get to get processors, but not only get to processors, but they also get to target processors as well. Here's the thing today. I think the link, so you ain't doing like quite texting. Let's see. So does like the link has a it's the link at the thing. It's like for the date. So you can get links like the thing. The same frame it's a tank. Okay, let's go and result the tanks. So that actually the text so that hold on that so that it looks like after that tanks and like 4 next and it's said that they I think Essex James has a CI and a stay in sync and the today is staying the thanks the thanks so that so that should think. So those going in 2 instant 5 instincts, and then you got the other one doing, and that's the so I think also that sense as well. So that train. So I think it's like the yeah. I think the day. They got the drivers. I think the train I like it's standings. Good luck for the truth. To accelerate the tanks. I think got the second the I forget the things like the what this at the train that doesn't say that tank at that tank. Okay, I get that tank. Got the next sticker. And got the accent. So kind of so great. Those are side cards. Then got the tank. The MSI. The then got Kick standing right. So I've got a quick extra grind and two stick cranks like the earrings. So I can get things like next 3 cranks and hard down hard rings that I can get the earring crank to try to get at the cakes, or the cake section. That's the cake. I don't got right. Yeah. So get the right, what the right, the right, straight the right, the next thing. I got electric screens. So I think that thing because that thing covering. So I think at the deck. So I think that the deck, that's at that thing. Also that right. I can trade free and extract for the right, going to extend the right. Also, click the text okay. So extend the right. So I think the next good. Okay, it doesn't right. Okay, so get the next thing, right? So get the right. So I got the dates here. So I got the extract the day and right sites. The take the screen and then the sites. Then go the extract the extract that try the correct try and get the headings. Just that headings, 2 is the headings. And was the dead Harry. Then get 2 fake the strengths, allocate take the day 8. So get the day 8. The great. This day cooks great. Really. This it cooks really. The thanks. Right. So 6 of the day 8. Yeah. So thanks. Just like the day, it thinks MSI. Code the train. So, okay. Okay, so, right. The deck. That's hungry. Okay. Should be going. So right that stack. Activate. Next entry. and dunks as well. Gazet. Action great. Rank. Current. Subtype. And thanks as well. And so that's the next thing. Bye.